Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Rheinmetall's Lunar NG drone proves its role in the Bundeswehr's networked reconnaissance and operations system. Rheinmetall has successfully taken part in a forward-looking test by the Bundeswehr at the Army Combat Training Center in Saxony-Anhalt, using its Lunar NG unmanned aerial vehicle system. The trial focused on reconnaissance and operational networking, relying solely on unmanned systems from target detection through to countermeasures, including drones and loitering munitions. Drone swarms are widely regarded worldwide as a novelty and remain largely untested as a future combat method for modern armed forces. Within the Bundeswehr, the Lunar NG reconnaissance drone is known as the Huser project, standing for Highly Efficient Unmanned System for Medium-Range Reconnaissance. During the test period, Rheinmetall successfully integrated Lunar NG into the Bundeswehr's command and control unmanned management system, enabling operation within reconnaissance and operational networks alongside other drones and loitering munitions. The system is characterized by a flight endurance of more than 12 hours and a maximum operating altitude of 5,000 meters. The test campaign demonstrated a high degree of digitalization and networking, significantly reducing the time needed to detect, mark and counterattack targets. Lunar NG reliably handled short-notice tasks, provided real-time sensor data and high-resolution target information, and delivered a comprehensive operational picture to connected ground units while operating quietly at high altitude. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.